Hi, Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. So in this video I'm going to share with you something that you need to ponder or you need to think of when you are involved in writing. Let's have a look at the basic structure of an essay. As you can see over here, you have an inverted pyramid here, alright, and then you have a rectangle or maybe a square in the middle of it, and then you have a pyramid at the end of it. So what is it about? Okay, let me introduce to you what is the basic structure of a writing. Okay, in writing you need to have at least 5 paragraphs. You're going to start with the introduction, you're going to have the body paragraph, and then you're going to have the conclusion. So in the body paragraph, basically you need to have at least 3 main points, and it is divided into each of the paragraph. For example, paragraph number 2, number 3, and number 4 over here. What happened to the inverted pyramid here? So this is for the introduction. Why it become to be, or it is in the form of inverted pyramid? Because in the beginning of the writing, you have to come up with a general statement. Okay, so general statement is a broad thing. So that's why it comes to this part. Alright, so general statement is a broad issue in the writing aspect, and you're going to study it in the introduction. So just to introduce about your essay. Then you're going to narrow it down, okay, and you're going to reach this point. So what is it about over here? So in the introduction, you need to have the thesis statement, correct? Okay, you need to have thesis statement in the introduction. So what is a thesis statement? Thesis statement is the controlling idea of your entire essay. So we can say that thesis statement consists of your topic sentences or your main ideas. So topic sentences in the thesis statement will be further elaborated in the body paragraph. So you have paragraph number 2, number 3, and number 4 over here that consists of each of the topic sentences that you have mentioned in the thesis statement. So that's why in the beginning of your writing, you are supposed to put it like in inverted pyramid, because you're going to start with the general statement first, and then you narrow it down and it goes to the thesis statement or the controlling idea of your entire essay. Okay, then over here you are going to have your body paragraph. So you're going to put all the topic sentences in the rectangle over here, all right, and then it will consist of the topic sentence or topic sentences. Okay, right, let's say in the basic essay, you are going to have at least 5 paragraphs consisting of the introduction or introductory paragraph, and then the conclusion or the concluding paragraph, and in between you're going to have 3 other paragraphs. Okay, so let's assume that you have 3 topic sentences. For each of the topic sentence, you need to have the supporting details. So what do we have to include in the supporting details? So supporting details is going to be the explanation or elaboration of the topic sentence, and you are going to put the example of what you have explained. Okay, so this is where you're going to put your topic sentences plus supporting details. Then after you have done with the first, second, and third paragraph of the body paragraph here, you move to the conclusion. So in the conclusion, you're going to make it into general statement here, whereby you are going to conclude, okay, the entire essay of what you have mentioned earlier. So in the conclusion, you have to restate what you have mentioned earlier, and then perhaps you can put some suggestion to it. So I believe and I hope that this video will help you a lot in writing afterwards. That's all from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.